Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's 6 divided by 2 divided by 6 divided by 2. First of all, this division will be equal to 3 and this division will be equal to 3. Now 3 divided by 3 gives us 1. It means 1 will be our answer, but remember that this one is not correct. So we have to solve this question again according to some order of operation. We have to respect the order of operations. We have only division. According to Pemdas, when we have only division, we have to move from left to right. So this is first one, this is second one, and that division will be carried out at third place. It will become 3 divided by 6 divided by 2. Again, by moving from left to right, this division can be written in a new form, 3 over 6 divided by 2. Now we have to apply KCF. Keep this one. Division is changed into multiplication. 2 over 1 is flipped to make it 1 over 2. So overall this will be equal to 1 over 4, because 1 times 1 gives us 1 over 2 times 2 gives us 4, which will be our answer for this PEMDAS based question. Thank you.